This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, then open the network and internet section, onwards go for the internet, then make sure to connect your smartphone to whatever network you would like to reveal the password of, then open its network details page, onwards tap at the share option, and the following share Wi-Fi page will provide you with the Wi-Fi password and QR code that you can just scan with any other phone, like this one, let's say, and the aforementioned device will be automatically connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.